Hi. simpliRP has a very simple way of recording incidents in organization. Please go to Record an Incident. Select the date of incident. Select the machine or department where incident happened. Select the employee involved and the supervisor. You can mention the task name, during which the incident happened. Enter the from time and to time, when that incident happened. You can also enter, how many days before, such incident happened. This is very important to keep track of history of incident. Also enter important details like type of incident, physical injury if any, corrective actions, preventive actions and non-conformances. You can also enter how many days absence of that employee is expected. You can also enter the reasons. Also you can enter witness and other remarks if any. Please save. You can now go to Incident Report. Select the dates and filters. You can see the complete report. Also you can click on the individual report, which can be printed. This may be useful for organizational reportings or any claims. simpliRP helps in organization compliances, monitoring and control. Thank you.